Hi friend, great afternoon, great morning, great evening, wherever you are. So, let's study God's Word. So, ang didakin natin today is being and doing. Yung Bible verse niya is from Acts 17 verse 28. For in Him we live and move and have our being. So, the stories today is from Dean Pax Lapid, one of the financial mentors of Brother Bo Sanchez. So, sabi ni Sir Dean Pax, 10 years ago, Brother Bo Sanchez challenged him to put up or start a ministry called Powerful Mornings. So, ano ba yung Powerful Mornings? These are a group of businessmen, entrepreneurs, and executives in Makati, Ortigas, and Alabang. They meet once a week to talk about business to feel God. So, paano ba natin incorporate sa business si God, no? So, just like the key verse natin today, for in Him we live and move and have our being. So, they were challenged to reflect on their purpose and their identity as business persons, diba? Or business entities or executive, no? So, sabi ni Dean Pax, we are not isolated beings but intricately woven into the fabric of God's creations, sustained by His presence and attributed by His Spirit. So, everyday kasi diba, we are asked to embrace yung holistic view of life, hindi lang puro work, but incorporate din natin work, personal life, our spiritual life, our everyday responsibilities. So, to have our being speaks to the innate longing within every human being to connect with something greater than ourselves and find fulfillment in communion with our Creator. So, when you talk of communion with the Creator, syempre we talk of your dealing or your relationship with others. Kasi, syempre, the Lord asks us to serve the people that we minister or that are around us. Sabi niya, Power Mornings will help business people to translate this to practical terms. Kasi masyadong, diba, intricately woven into the fabric of God's creation. Parang masyadong highfalutin. But sabi ni Dean Pax, they are asked to translate this into practical ways, whether in the marketplace, at home, and in church. So, kasi kung hindi mo nun ma-apply to sa ordinary life mo, so what is a powerful morning if you are not be able to use it in your daily life? So, how can you live with gratitude, reverence, and profound sense of awe? Do you recognize that your very existence is a testament of God's love and providence? So, yung life natin or our everyday self or everyday challenges, yun yung paano natin idudugtong yung being and doing or ourselves to others or to our Creator. So, paano natin siya ipag-meet in line with each of these to define our purpose and identity here on this earth. So, medyo complicated siya, I know, but we are asked to put into practice whatever challenges or learnings or lessons we learn from our everyday responsibilities. So, sila nga, si Dean Pax, sila yung mga business executives or entrepreneurs. So, they are challenged by Brother Bo Sanchez to discuss yung kanilang purpose and identity in connection with their daily responsibility. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.